This is a 10-minute walking at home feel-good workout that's designed to do first thing in the morning to feel fabulous, reduce anxiety. I'm also including a cool down stretch at the end. So if you're ready, let's start walking at home. All you need to do is just simply follow along. So for the first move, for 30 seconds, we're just going to do this little side step, and this is going to really help just to warm up your body and mobilize through the joints. So we're just stepping from side to side. Add me a little bend through your knees, and also just really exaggerate with the arms, so we're bending through the elbows. You can see that arrow bar on the right, the yellow one, that represents 30 seconds. That's how long we're doing each different walking exercise today. So just 10 minutes. And what we're going to do now for this walk, what I want you to do is walk forwards for 4 and give me a little toe tap, then back for 4 and a toe tap. So just keep following along, and it doesn't matter if you're not in time with me. The great thing is when we're doing these workouts at home, there's no one judging us. And you can even do this one first thing in the morning in your pajamas. It can be part of your daily routine for these healthy habits. All right, that's good. And just walk that back, just tap that forwards and tap that back. And now we're going to take it back to that side step, but this time we're going to go a little bit faster and just really exaggerate and add in those bend through the knees. And on these ones, I'm going to just always post you up a little Lucy's positive postcard, so you can have a little look at that. And these are just tips that you can really easy ways to help boost your positivity. All right, that's good. So let's just keep going that side step, and you can see the arrow, you can see how long we've got on that. So for your next move, this time now, I want you to walk forwards for 4, but just give me a punch, alternating punch. And let's just put a bit of power behind each of those punches. Try and keep the arms at shoulder height. That's good. And just travel that forwards for 4. And then we're taking it back. That's good. And now we're going to come back to just doing that move again. So we're doing that lateral fast side step and really put a bend through the knees. And again, here you've got another positive postcard. I love this one actually. I really suffer with anxiety, and this is something that I always think about. Anxiety is just a visitor. So when it comes, we can just say, show it the door, get rid of it. All right, that's good. And of course, as we know, exercise is such a good way to really help reduce anxiety. And just keep going side to side. So for this one now, we're going to walk forwards, but give me these big sunshine arms, and let's feel powerful, let's feel strong, let's feel proud that we're moving our bodies. And just think of it like this, you know, we're lubricating all your joints, we're improving your posture, we're making your heart healthier, your bones stronger, your muscles stronger. Really, it's really important just to remember why we're exercising. All right, that's good. Keeping that going, doing really well. And let's bring it back now, back to that little side step, nice and fast, bend through the knees, really use those arms. There you are, you've got another little Lucy's a positive postcard. And this one's so true, you know, healthy food make us feel good as well. So just always eat well, eat nourishing foods. And if you want any more tips on that, I've got loads of blogs and recipes on my website at lwrfitness.com. All right, that's good. Let's just keep that going. Keep that focused. And now this time we're going to walk forwards, but we're just going to push both arms up. And this here, and travel it backwards again by extending both your arms up above heart level is how we're really working your circulatory system. So we're making your heart a stronger pump. This is really good because then it just means we have more power through your arteries, and also then for your vein health as well. By just strengthening your heart makes that a stronger pump. Okay, so now let's bring it straight back. You know what we're going to be doing now. Let's just do that fast little side step. And there you've got another positive postcard. I love this one actually. If you're struggling a bit, if you're feeling a bit down, if you're feeling a bit anxious, actually sit down and write a little gratitude list. Think of 3 things you're grateful for, and that really helps change your mindset. And just keep going from that side step. Keep those knees nice and bent, so we're staying a little bit low. Now this time we're going to walk forwards, but we're just going to do these shoulder taps. So have your palms facing upwards and we're just bending through the elbow, tapping your shoulders. And this is great because it just means now we're really working a little bit more into your arms. All right, that's good. And again, each of these walking exercises at home, we're just doing for 30 seconds. And let's just bring it back now to that fast lateral side step and just really bend through those knees. And there's another positive postcard for you. And I always think it's so important, always talk, never bottle stuff up. And let's just keep going, side to side, bend through those knees, really use those arms as well. And we're well over halfway through your walking workout today. So for your next move, this time now, we're going to do it where we're just going to tap your toe in front, but slightly across, take it slightly over the opposite leg and travel that forwards and back. When you've got used to that leg movement, then just add in the arms. So we're just swinging them, swaying them across from side to side. And this is really lovely for your waist. You'll really feel that working through your core, as well as really working into your inner and outer thighs as well with this leg move. All right, well done. So this time now, let's bring it straight back. You know what we're going to be doing, and you've got another positive postcard there for you. So remember here, just keep those feet moving nice and fast, really bend through with the knees, really swing through with the arms. So we're just trying to get in as many steps as we can in this quick 10-minute morning home workout. All right, that's good. Last few seconds on this. So this time now, we're going to travel this forwards and we're going to come up onto your tiptoes for 4 steps. Now take the heels down and shuffle back for 4. So come up, tiptoes, take the heels down and shuffle back. So come up 4 steps with those tiptoes and then shuffle back. So this is really good. We're really working through that lower body, leg health and shuffling back up onto those tiptoes, and this is great for your mobility, your balance as well. All right, let's bring it straight back now and let's just go back to that fast side step. And again, you've got another one of these positive postcards, and just keep moving and remember why we're here and keep smiling. This is all about you and I just taking control of your health. Feel super proud that you are right here now doing this. It's all about these health habits that make our lifestyle just feel better. We want to wake every day feeling energized and feeling our best. All right, so for your next move, this time now, I want you just to bend low, do a bit of a zigzag walk across and imagine you're bending underneath, I don't know, underneath a fence, underneath a hedge, and just travel that forwards for 4. And the lower you go, that's really good then for really working through your lower body strength. We're working the quadriceps and the hamstrings. That's good, and shaking that back. So let's bring it straight back now, back to your fast lateral side step, go from side to side, and we'll have another positive postcard. And this one's so true, not sure if you can relate. Instead of always saying yes when you want to say no, just learn to say no when you mean no. We can still be polite about it, but it's really important to look after self-care for yourself and reduce anxiety. All right, that's good. We've nearly finished on the walking workout, so let's just keep going. So next move, this time now, long arm swing. So just imagine we're really exaggerating a march here, and we're going to travel it forwards and then take it back. So forwards for 4. And keep those arms long and straight. So it's a really lovely one here for shoulder flexibility and mobility. And just think with every step, we're getting fitter and stronger, both in our physical and mental health. And let's bring it straight back now, back to that little side step. Just go from side to side, really swing through with those arms. Keep those knees nice and bent, stay low, doing really well. All right, that's good. Just keeping that going. And if you've really enjoyed this workout and you think it would really help someone else, then please do share it on Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, WhatsApp, YouTube, wherever. Just spread the word about how exercise really helps with positivity. Okay, so let's bring it back. Now this time we're going to have fun. Let's just do this heel to hand walk. So you're walking forwards for 4 and then travel that back for 4, opposite heel to hand. So you're just bending through the leg. So we're just doing that hamstring curl, but we're just taking the opposite hand to meet the foot. So it's really good also for our coordination. I've got your brain thinking today with these really coordinated moves. All right, so well done. That is the 10-minute walking workout done. But what I want you to do, we're just going to take this to a little bit of a cool down. So just march it out. Let's bring your heart rate back down. Just so now we can just spend a little bit of time doing some stretches. So take a deep breath in, deep breath out. If you want longer to bring your heart rate down, then simply hit pause. But if you're ready, let's take it to those stretches. So for your first stretch, step 1 foot back and have the hands on the bent leg and just feel the stretch where the arrow is pointing. Keep that heel down, and this is just going to really realign your muscles, just stretch out those muscular fibers to help prevent us having any injuries or any deep soreness. Let's now take that to the opposite leg. So take that behind, your heel always stays down, toes are pointing forwards, hands on the bent leg. And really well done if you are still here, and let me know in the comments if you hung around for the stretches as well, so I can just give you a big high five in the comments. And now let's do a hamstring stretch. So hands are on the bent leg, extend the other leg forwards, toes pointing up. Just feel that stretch through the back of your upper thigh, toes point up. That's good. And now let's change and take that to the opposite leg, hands again on the bent leg, toes extended up. And this is such a lovely workout that you could just make part of your routine. You could do this every morning. And you've got those positive postcards to lift your day. All right, let's just take that to that quadricep stretch. Use a wall if you need to for balance. Supporting knees slightly bent. Just feel that stretch running down the front of your thigh through your quadricep. And now exchange and take that to the opposite leg. Doing really well. And we're then going to just take those arms in front. Just feel that stretch through the front, through your back. And now take the arms behind, and now I'll feel the stretch through the front, through your chest. And we're going to take one arm up, feel that through the back of the upper arm. And then take that to the other arm. So well done, there is your high five. And remember, just breathe in that positivity of believe in yourself. And what you and I have just done is invest in your future health. I'll see you back on my YouTube channel later.